What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And this is bonkers. We were just at Busch Gardens, Tampa about an hour ago for the first test runs of Iron Gwazi. We're hearing something special is also going on over here at SeaWorld for Icebreaker. Let's go check it out. Well, considering we're coming for the last half hour of the park's open, nobody's here at the ticket booths. And up at the front entrance, should be right in as nobody's there either. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. What a crazy day, guys, as we were just at Busch Gardens for the first test run of Iron Gwazi, which, by the way, is on our YouTube. Check it out. We're over here for Icebreaker now. And hello, Icebreaker. So I can see already the transfer table is in the launch position. So it looks like we've had some testing over here too, believe it or not. Fingers crossed, we might actually see it in action.
Come on, come on.
Absolutely insane. So we have testing of the transfer table. That's good news.
Striking characteristic of the orca is their black and white skin. This camouflage is called disruptive coloration. In a murky environment, this
So we can still see the American flag on the track where they completed the circuit. So no full course testing just yet.
Whenever we step on the scales, we see how much you weigh. It's much the same with our whales. Katina, who is 43 years old. Katina is orthodiagnostic, is weighing the whales. And we are able to do that by asking the whales to slide their bodies up and out of the water onto a giant killer whale size scale that we have in one of our adjacent pier right here in the slide out area. Now, Mikhail on this side weighs in right around 3,500 pounds, while Trua is just under 6,000 pounds. You'll notice that the portion of their body from the dorsal fin to their tail flukes is in the water right now. That's the powerhouse of a whale. It's called their peduncle. It's very muscular and very heavy. Weighing the whales with their peduncle still in the water, we wouldn't be weighing the whole whale. But
Yep, still no entry sign. Come on, I want to see it. Well, this is a little bit of news. Mango Joe's has closed, and this is in preparation for Icebreaker. They're gonna make it look nice. So remember in our last update they were tearing up this midway? Well, it's back. Looks pretty nice actually. Wild Arctic, and all is quiet on the western front, except for a new lantern, so maybe they're working at night. Lights are now in place at the bottom of the Beyond Vertical Spike, and I'm thinking this thing is going to have an awesome lighting package. And also over here, well, that hole still there. Same with that one over there too. In our last update we showed you, well, a boat ramp was going here. Work walls are still up though. Infinity Falls, and good news, the ride is back in operation. As we can see a raft right there up at the top, taking the drop. There's also something else to point out right here on the bridge where the splash zone is. Well, we have some signage now, or lettering on here, saying splash zone, you may get wet. So it looks like all the crew members have left the site. We're done for the day. But yes, a lot of back and forth motion with the transfer table. Good news if we want to get full course testing going on soon. Nothing new over here for the Rumor 2021 roller coaster site. Looks just the same as it did the last time. Sky Tower, and we can see it stopped at the halfway point because of high winds. Unfortunately, it's not open today. Maybe in our next update. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker, and what an incredible day. I mean, I literally cannot say enough. Between the testing at Busch Gardens and here with the transfer table for Icebreaker, amazing stuff. Of course, they're going to continue testing the transfer table for a couple more days, if not a week or so. We should have a train on there eventually for weight, and then they'll get it on the launch track and send it back and forth before we do a full cycle. When that happens, we will let you know. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.